Hey guys, here's a box I was telling you about. It's just arrived. The Bandpass, what's it name box. I didn't even know the name. So we're gonna get it open and see what's inside. Let's see what we got here. So this box, I don't really get too much good review with this box. So the speaker and the box is not good, but I like the design of the box. And if you do change the speaker, because the speaker is not good, if you do change the speakers, the box is gonna rattle and tear apart. So what I did, I went over Home Depot and get me some wood glue. Yeah. So let's get to the unboxing. So, you go over there. I need something sharp. That wasn't accurate. Nice. It's bigger than what I expected. Nope, it's still small. It is still small. And here we have it. Yep, it is bigger than what I expected. Yep, it is bigger than what I expected. So we got this right here. This is the 10-inch. I got a 10-inch version. You got an 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. I got the 10-inch version. So here's the box. Box right there, sofa inside. So a pretty sort of box to me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook it up to my amp and see how it sound. Okay. Oh, it's really dark. I'm turning on the light. There we go. So you can see this better. That's a speaker in there. Don't think that's much good. People said they feed the speaker 150 and it blew. A 500-watt speaker and it blew. So let's see at the back. Here we got two ports. Let's see if you can see that good. We got two ports, which is not completely secured, but I need one of these ports to be closed. So I'm gonna close one port with something I don't know. I'm gonna close one port because I only need one. But let's see how this sounds out of the box. Okay, so we all got this set up to the amp. Now we're gonna play Place I Love You and push this baby to the limit. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
So
Thanks for watching.
this is not really a shake your house down subwoofer, because right here it still got some hair leaks. Still got hair leaks. What I'm gonna do, anyways, the speaker in there not really moving. I'm gonna put this bad boy in right now and see how it sounds.